Natural oils are a huge part of Ayurveda. This includes everything from essential oils to carrier oils. They can affect everything from your health, emotions, and spirituality, so they're worth learning about. On the skin, oils can be applied absolutely anywhere. You might be surprised that the belly button is a great place to start. Here are 6 benefits of applying oils to the belly button. 1. Moisturizes skin. Oils are amazing for naturally moisturizing the skin. They work well on areas that are usually forgotten, like the belly button and stomach. It's especially useful in the winter when the air is super dry. Some good options include coconut and olive oils. They have emollient effects, thanks to their fatty acid content. 1. Just add a few drops and rub it on your stomach. Your skin will feel silky smooth, especially after a shower or bath. 2. Removes dirt. The belly button doesn't get cleaned very often and can be easy to forget about it. But it's really embarrassing, so you should clean it regularly. Use a cotton swab and a light oil like jojoba, safflower, and grapeseed. These oils will loosen up dead skin and dirt, making it easier to remove. Don't be aggressive with the cotton swab, otherwise you'll run the risk of pain or injury. Instead, be gentle when cleaning your belly button. 3. Cures infection. Because the belly button can get dirty, it's the perfect home for bacteria and fungi. With the right oils, you can kill an infection. Tea tree oil is the best choice because it has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. To use, add 3 drops of 1 teaspoon coconut oil, another antibacterial oil. Apply it to your belly button once or twice a day until the infection heals. 4. Treats a stomach ache. Using oils in the belly button can alleviate tummy pain. This will help symptoms from conditions like indigestion, diarrhea, and food poisoning. It also doubles as a natural remedy for nausea and bloating. 5. Decreases menstrual pain. Ladies, are you sick of dealing with painful periods? Apply diluted essential oils to your belly button for natural relief. 6. Improves fertility. It's no surprise that the belly button is connected to fertility. After all, the belly button once connected you to your mother. Adding oils to this spot can influence your fertility, whether you're a man or a woman. Remember, diluting essential oils is a must. They are highly concentrated and might irritate your skin. Before using a new oil, test it on a patch of skin to make sure you're not allergic. Like our video, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more health remedies and tips. Thank you.